contemporary garden design ideas to inspire you. Hi everyone, thank you for coming to this Design Ideas channel. Today, we will watch selected contemporary garden design ideas to inspire you. Let us know which design you like the best in the comment section. Thank you. 1. Water garden. 2. Back patio. 3. Koi pond. 4. Stone bridge. 5. Stone walk path. 6. Raised pond. 7. Mini waterfall. 8. Narrow water feature. 9. Water bowls. 10. Wood deck. 11. Lighted waterfall. 12. Water stream along the wall. 13. Narrow water feature. 14. Bridging the water feature. 15. Steps and water feature. 16. Pond and grass yard. 17. Straight walk path. 18. Raised palm box. 19. Fire pit. 20. Curved patio. 21. Lighted wood wall. 22. Fireplace. 23. Wood walk path. 24. Circle opening. 25. Playful design. 26. Side yard patio. 27. Sunken fire pit. 28. Under the tree seating. 29. Water dripping feature. 30. Sun deck. 31. Outdoor shower. 32. Bowl planters. 33. Lighted curb. 34. Simple design. 35. Steps garden. 36. Big rock garden. 37. Standard trees. 38. Different floor finishes. 39. Lighting design. 40. Curved water feature. Let us know which design you like the best in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell for the next educational presentation. Thank you.